2012 Dodge Challenger V6. Got some really nice wheels on it. As you guys can see, snowflakes. I like them. Nice gray color. Got factory catalytic converters. Comes with a factory X-pipe. We left the mid resonators on it. And we deleted the rear mufflers there and there with 2 1/4 tailpipes. And left his original tips right there and right there. This is the original mufflers that were on it. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. It's a V6. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Rear muffler delete. Dodge Challenger. Perfect. Sound decibels? 101. I always like the rear muffler delete on those. It's just a really smooth sound, you know? It's not too much. It's good if you live in apartments or like a subdivision. It's not too loud. Oh, really? Yeah, it gets on them. Again? Rear muffler delete. Let you guys hear it on that side. Showcase those wheels. This is his 3rd Challenger that he's done here. He's got a V8, he's got a Scat Pack, and he got a V6 for traveling around town. He loves those cars, so.